In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello board. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing projects, managing tasks, and collaborating with your team. And I'm excited to walk you through the straightforward process of setting up your very own board. All right, let's start with the basics. First, you need to log into your Trello account. If you don't already have one, it's super easy to sign up. Just head over to the Trello website and you'll find the login option right on the home page. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Trello homepage where you can access all your workspaces. Next, let's navigate to your workspace. Workspaces in Trello are sort of like folders for organizing your boards. On the left sidebar, you'll see a list of your existing workspaces. Click on the name of the workspace where you'd like to create your new board. If you're just starting out or need to organize things a bit differently, you also have the option to create a new workspace. Simply click on Create New Workspace and Trello will guide you through setting up a new one. Now that you've selected or created the appropriate workspace, it's time to create your new board. Look around and you'll find a Create New Board option. Click on that and a window will appear prompting you to set some basic details for your board. At this stage, you'll need to fill in the board details. This typically includes naming your board. Pick something that clearly represents its purpose or the project it will be used for. You can also select a color scheme or a background that inspires you or fits the theme of the project. Additionally, you'll need to select which workspace this board will belong to if you want to change it. Take a moment to configure these details, as a visually appealing board can really enhance your productivity. Once you're happy with the details you've set, it's time to create the board. There's a Create Board button, and with one click, Trello will generate your new board and take you directly to its view. Here, you can start adding lists, setting up your workflow, and inviting team members to collaborate. And that's it. You've successfully created a Trello board. From here, the possibilities are endless. You can customize your workflow, add tasks, assign members, and so much more. Trello is a highly versatile tool, and the more you use it, the more you'll appreciate its capability to streamline your projects. Feel free to explore further and tailor your board to perfectly fit your needs. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy organizing with Trello.